Hello friends, welcome to Quantsapp. I'm Tina Gadodia. So let's talk about charts. So when you click on the left side, you see all the products which are listed. So there are nearly 45 products presently live on Quantsapp. So charts comes under the second heading. Click on it. You'll see single charts and strategy charts. Let's go to strategy charts. So when you click on strategy chart, you see all your listed strategies over here. So whatever strategy you have created, any leg you can see here. So you can have n number of legs. You can do really like a 5 legs, 10 leg strategy, have your own custom strategy, a mix of futures and option, and all said and done. So all your strategies would be listed here. You have an option of editing as well as delete. So if you want to delete any strategy, you can do so. If you want to edit any strategy, the same thing you can do. You can create strategy. So let's create a strategy. Two options, predefined strategies and custom strategy. So your predefined strategies are all the listed strategies which we have. So nearly around 40 strategies are listed. So all common, mostly used strategies are listed here. So say for instance, I want to make Nifty bullish limited risk strategy. I click next. I see all the strategy which comes under that bracket. So say for instance, I want to go for a long call butterfly. I click on the long call butterfly. So this strategy is basically a combination of 1, 2 and 1. So that means you buy one strike, you sell two higher strikes and you buy again one higher strike call. Now here the symbol is there, the strategy names appear. You can change the name also the way you want to do. Now it's 12,200. So say for instance I want to do 12,200, 12,300 and say 12,350. I'm making a broken butterfly. So I have this thing. You can do C and P, whatever is there. So as we have selected the butterfly, which is a call butterfly, so this option of C and P is not there, right? So it's C option. You can change the expiry the way you want. So if you can change the expiry here, you can see, go to the drop down, select say 26th November. The strategy would be for the 26th November, right? So say for instance, I now save it. Now I realize I wanted to do for 12th November. So I go and do it, edit. So from here, now I go and select the 12th November. Right? Rest everything I'll keep the same. 12,200, one lot buy, 12,300, two lot sell, and 12,350, one lot buy. I update this strategy. Right? So this is my Nifty long call butterfly. Let me make one more simple strategy. So I go and do create strategy. I do a custom strategy. I do say symbol Bank Nifty. Okay. Now I add the leg. So you have 26,700 is by default, which is the nearest one. You can change that too. So say I say 26,700 by one lot. Add, I see I want to sell 27,000. Call, sell, I say it's two lots. Okay. You can delete any leg if you think you don't want to do it. You can delete it. Lot size comes here. You can save it. So you have custom strategy as well as a predefined one. Now, when you click anywhere on this box, so you have the tiles for each strategy. Click anywhere on the tile, you will be taken to the strategy chart. Here, you have the list of all the strategies which are there with you. So you have calendar call, diagonal put, Nifty straddle, whatever strategies I were having was there. If you look at the price, so right now you have the default price coming up. As a user, you can add the indicators. So you have all Greeks, delta, theta, vega, gamma. Yeah, the rho is not there presently. So we have the all top 4 Greeks which is widely used. So when you do Q, alphabet Q, so all the custom strategies, custom indicators comes up. So I do delta, gamma, theta, vega. So you have an option to plot it on the price also. So you can select delta on price. Similarly, you can select gamma on price. Now, if I say I have delta over here, I will delete this delta, which is there on the panel. So looking at the graph, you see how the premium of your long call butterfly has moved consistently. So we see that from 5th November, the premium was nearly 15, which is now quoting at 31. You zoom it. You see how the delta is moving. So you see there was a delta breakout and now it is going higher. The gamma is not impacting us much. So it's nearly sideways. We are gamma negative. So we need to be, since it is a completely hedge strategy, so gamma as such is not that impactful. But definitely when you're doing any naked sell strategy, do keep an eye on gamma. Theta, you see how the theta is behaving. So theta right now is positive minorly 0.33. So nothing major. Vega is completely sideways. So in this strategy, you don't see the impact much. You can do whatever technical analysis you want. You can get it done. You have all the indicators available here. You can select those and you can see how. So right now you can see whether your premiums are coming down, going higher, how the Greeks are behaving. Is the Greek reversing? Then it can help you to know if the Greeks are reversing, that means we can book our profit. So apply your knowledge of Greeks now even beautifully using these charts. So do your proper analysis, just not on the underlying but now on the Greeks. See how it is preempting the move, whether it is showing any sign of a risk coming up. You can be there, be alertful. Now here you have all the strategies. You click here, you see all your strategies listed here, be it calendar call. So say for instance, I look at my Tata Steel long put. So Tata Steel long put, we see that the prices has fallen significantly. So if I go further, you can see how the prices has fallen systematically. So once it has broken the 15 level, it has come down. So now what has led to that? The delta, which was net negative, it has now started going up. So the minus delta is now becoming less. So that means it is becoming OTM. So you can get the clue from the delta itself. You can get the clue from the theta. So your theta is not that much affecting you. Vega is sideways. So the Vega is falling in fact. So you're not getting much from the IV movement. So you can be ahead of the curve. You can see if the IVs were higher before result and after result, if the IVs are falling, you can see how the options are reacting. So you can crystal clear dissect your option behavior, the price behavior using the Greeks and stay alert in the market. Thank you.